You know, there's something we all do almost every day, something so ordinary, so routine, that we rarely give it a second thought: showering. But what if I told you that this simple act could be quietly shaping your health, your energy, and even your sleep, especially after the age of 60? Today, we're joined by a truly remarkable man, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara. At over 100 years old, he wasn't just Japan's oldest practicing physician, he was a pioneer in the science of longevity. Dr. Hinohara dedicated his entire life to understanding how small daily habits impact our ability to stay vibrant as we age. And one of the most overlooked routines, according to him, your shower. Yes, the way you shower when you do it, how long you stay under the water, even the temperature can send signals to your brain, your skin, your heart, and your immune system. It's not just about getting clean anymore, it's about communicating with your body in a language it understands. In Japan, bathing is viewed not just as hygiene but as a daily reset for the body, the mind, and the nervous system. And today, we're going to explore that hidden connection together. Because sometimes, the key to aging well isn't in a bottle of pills. It's in the warm water running down your back. Have you ever woken up, felt a little stiff, a little groggy and thought, maybe a hot shower will wake me up? It's a common routine, especially as we get older. That warm stream of water can feel comforting first thing in the morning. But here's something most people don't realize. Your body might not be ready for it yet. When we first wake up, especially after age 60, our circulation is still adjusting. Blood pressure tends to be lower, and blood vessels are more sensitive. Jumping straight into a hot shower during this fragile window can actually shock your system. It may trigger a sudden drop in blood pressure, something called postural hypotension, leading to dizziness, a sense of faintness, or even a minor stroke in those with heart or circulation issues. It sounds harmless, but for someone with age-related cardiovascular changes, this timing could be risky. So, what's the better option? Wait at least 30 to 45 minutes after waking up before heading into the shower. Let your body catch up to the day. In the meantime, do some gentle stretching, sip a warm glass of water, and let your system ease into motion. Because sometimes, the safest way to start your day is slowly. Give your body a chance to say, "I'm ready." Have you ever stepped into the shower, turned the nozzle to full blast, and let that stream hit your head like a waterfall? It might feel powerful or even refreshing, but if you're over 60, this habit could be silently doing more harm than good. You see, as we age, our blood vessels, especially in the scalp and neck, become more delicate. Many older adults also have some degree of atherosclerosis or reduced flexibility in their arteries. When strong water pressure hits the back of the head or neck, it can cause sudden changes in blood flow. That's because it stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, putting your body into a brief state of stress. For some people, this may trigger lightheadedness, blood pressure swings, or even momentary dizziness. It's a bit like slamming on the gas pedal when your car's engine is still warming up. Instead, here's a safer way. Start with your feet and hands. Let your body slowly adjust to the temperature and pressure. Use a gentle spray setting or lower the pressure manually. Only after your circulation is ready should you bring the water up toward your chest, neck, and finally your head. Your shower should be a moment of calm, not a shock to your system. A simple change in habit can help you avoid unexpected episodes and make your daily routine a source of healing rather than harm. Have you ever finished a nice meal and thought, a warm shower sounds perfect right now? Or maybe the opposite, you've been hungry all day, skipped lunch, and decide to freshen up first with a quick rinse. These might feel harmless, but for older adults, they can carry hidden risks. Let's start with showering after eating. When you've just eaten, your body directs more blood to your stomach to help digest food. But stepping into a warm shower too soon pulls that blood toward your skin instead to regulate your body temperature. This shift can slow digestion, cause bloating or cramps, and in some cases, especially in Senior 7, lead to dizziness or fainting. Now, showering while hungry is no safer. Without enough fuel in your system, the heat and humidity of the shower can cause your blood sugar to drop even further. That's when people feel lightheaded, shaky, or weak, especially if they're standing in a hot, enclosed bathroom for too long. So what's the gentle, smarter approach? Wait about 60 to 90 minutes after a meal before showering, and if you're hungry, try something light first: a banana, a warm glass of milk, or a slice of whole grain toast. It doesn't take much to steady your system and prevent a crash. Your body is wise, but also delicate, especially as we age. Let's treat it with the care and timing it deserves. Many older adults believe a hot shower before bed is the perfect way to relax. And yes, it feels soothing, comforting, like a warm hug after a long day. But here's the hidden truth. A shower that's too hot, too long, and too late might be doing the exact opposite of what you hoped. When the water temperature rises above 106 degrees Fahrenheit, or 41 degrees Celsius, your heart rate increases, your cortisol levels spike, and your body's core temperature stays elevated. This suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep naturally. The result? What scientists now call false relaxation. Your muscles may feel loose, but your nervous system is still on high alert. A 2022 study from Osaka University found that seniors who showered late at night in very hot water had more fragmented sleep, higher levels of anxiety, and disrupted circadian rhythms. In simple terms, your body thinks it's still daytime, even though you're trying to wind down. So, what's a better habit? Try showering 60 to 90 minutes before bed using warm, not hot water. Let your body cool slightly after the shower, which actually signals your brain to produce more melatonin. A gentle shower should prepare you for rest, not trick your body into stress. Here's something most of us never think about. What do you do after your shower? Dry off and go straight to your next task, maybe bed, maybe breakfast? But in Japan, there's a small habit that quietly transforms the way the body resets, ending your shower with just 30 seconds of cool, not cold water. It sounds simple, but it can make a real difference, especially as we age. This brief cooldown helps stimulate blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and calm the nervous system. It sends your body a clear signal: the day is done, it's time to rest. A 2020 study even showed that seniors who added a short, cool rinse had better blood pressure control, less swelling in the legs, and faster recovery from fatigue. Think of it like the final page in a good book. It helps your system close the day gently and with intention. So next time you shower, give this a try. Just 30 seconds. Not icy, just cooler than warm. It might feel unusual at first, but your body and your sleep may thank you. Many older adults have followed the same bathing routine for decades, slathering up with strong, often antibacterial soap from head to toe. It feels clean, right? But here's something most of us were never told. Overwashing with harsh soaps can actually damage your skin and weaken your body's first line of defense. As we age, our skin becomes thinner, drier, and more fragile. Using powerful soaps strips away the natural oils and healthy bacteria that protect us. This can lead to itching, inflammation, even microscopic cracks that invite infection. A 2021 study from Korea University found that seniors who switched to using mild soap only on key areas, like the underarms, groin, and feet, had noticeably healthier skin and stronger immune markers within just 6 months. So next time you shower, ask yourself, do I really need to soap up my arms, legs, and back every single day? Often, warm water is enough. Your skin isn't just a surface, it's your body's silent guardian. Let's treat it with the respect and care it deserves. Here's a question many people never think to ask. When is the best time to take a shower after 60? Most of us just shower out of habit, maybe in the morning, maybe late at night. But science shows that when you bathe, can actually affect how well you sleep. Experts recommend showering at least 90 minutes before bedtime. Why? Because a warm shower slightly raises your body temperature. Then, as you step out and dry off, your temperature naturally drops. That cooling process signals your brain to release melatonin, the hormone that helps you feel sleepy and stay asleep longer. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge that says, "Hey, it's time to wind down." If you've been struggling with restless nights, frequent waking, or light sleep, this simple change, just adjusting the time of your shower, might be a game changer. Think of it as part of your nightly ritual of self-care, like dimming the lights or sipping a calming tea. Small changes can lead to deeper rest, and after 60, Good sleep is not a luxury, it's essential for healing, memory, and longevity. Have you ever stepped into a steaming hot shower thinking it would melt away your tension only to feel drained or dizzy afterward? As comforting as hot water might seem, it could be doing more harm than good, especially as we age. The ideal water temperature for bathing after 60 is between 98 and 102 degrees Fahrenheit, just slightly warmer than your body. It's warm enough to relax your muscles and soothe your joints, but not so hot that it stresses your heart or dries out your skin. See, as we grow older, our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive, and our blood vessels don't respond as quickly to heat changes. Bathing in overly hot water can actually increase blood pressure temporarily, disrupt the skin's protective barrier, and even make some people feel lightheaded. But when you keep it just warm, not hot, you're giving your body exactly what it needs: comfort without the stress. Think of it like a gentle hug, not a scalding blast. So next time you reach for that shower knob, take a second to check the temperature. That small choice might be the difference between a draining shower and a healing one. Here's something most people don't realize. The longer you stay in the shower, the more moisture your skin actually loses, especially after age 60. You might think, but a long warm shower feels so good. And it does. But if you stay in too long, say 20 or even 30 minutes, you could be slowly drying out your skin and weakening your natural skin barrier. Experts suggest keeping your shower to around 7 to 10 minutes. That's just enough time to wash, relax, and rinse off without stripping away the skin's natural oils, those same oils that protect us from irritation, infection, and dryness. Think of your skin like a garden. Too much water, too often, can wash away the nutrients. The same goes for your body. Gentle, shorter showers help maintain that delicate balance. So instead of lingering under the water, make your shower intentional, short, soothing, and skin-friendly. If you love hot water, pair it with a moisturizing routine afterward. Remember, after 60, your skin works hard to protect you. Let's return the favor by giving it the care and the time limits it deserves. Here's a gentle trick that can calm your entire nervous system, and it only takes 30 seconds. At the end of your shower, try rinsing your neck and lower legs with cool water. Not freezing cold, just mildly cool. What does that do? It signals your body to switch from go mode, the sympathetic nervous system, to rest and restore mode, what doctors call the parasympathetic system. This small shift helps lower your heart rate, reduce internal stress, and prepare your body for deep restorative sleep. It's like flipping a quiet switch inside you. You don't need to blast yourself with cold water. Just a quick 30-second rinse on key areas like the back of your neck, your calves, or even your feet is enough to send that calming message to your brain. Many people who've tried this say they fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. It's simple, safe, and requires no effort at all yet. It taps into one of your body's most powerful natural rhythms. So tonight, give it a try. End your shower not with heat, but with calm. Your nervous system will thank you. Your shower doesn't just end when the water stops. In fact, what you do in the 5 minutes after might be the most important part of your evening. Instead of rushing to get dressed or heading to your phone, take a pause. Start by gently patting your skin dry. Don't rub. Your skin, after 60, is more delicate, and every touch matters. Then, nourish it. Use a natural oil like sesame, almond, or rice bran. These oils not only lock in moisture, but also contain antioxidants that support skin repair overnight. Now, here's where the healing begins. Make this moment your quiet ritual. Sip a cup of herbal tea. Breathe deeply for 5 minutes. Or write down 3 things you're grateful for today. It may sound simple, but this kind of mindful routine signals to your body and brain, the day is done, it's time to rest. And with that, your entire nervous system begins to shift into healing mode. This is how sleep becomes deeper, dreams become calmer, and aging slows from the inside out. So tonight, after your shower, don't just dry off. Let it be a ritual, one that your body will begin to look forward to every evening. By now, you've probably realized showering is not just about getting clean, it's a quiet conversation between you and your body. Especially after 60, every drop of water can be a reminder. Your body is still here with you, working, healing, carrying your life story. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of Japan's longest-living physicians, once said, "Shower as if you're speaking to your body, not silencing it. When we treat bathing as a ritual with care, with awareness it becomes a time of renewal. You're not just washing off the day, you're gently preparing your body for tomorrow." Longevity doesn't come from magic pills or drastic diets. It grows quietly, through these little moments of respect, repeated every day. So tonight, when you step into the shower, pause, breathe, be gentle. Let the water become your reminder. You are alive, you are healing, and your body still listens when you speak to it with kindness.